You poor buggers. You're here in Poland. Where are you going to go? Here's the next thing I feel extraordinarily strongly about. That's Charlie Munger, and my whole life I've known no wise people over a broad subject matter area who didn't read all the time, none, zero. Yeah? Warren Buffett's right-hand man. Most people don't bloody well read enough. Yeah? When you read, you have to take it in. You have to make an effort. It's not going to happen if you just watch things on the bloody screen. Yeah? Not going to work for you. Read. I read every goddamn thing you can think of, and quite a few things you couldn't. Especially if it's something I don't understand. I'm always happy, I don't know. I'm always happy if a client comes along to me who does something I know nothing about. We're going to have a break now. I'd like to introduce you to somebody. I'm trying to write my autobiography at the moment, which is a bit of a stretch. And it's a bit of a stretch, and I'll tell you why it's a bit of a stretch. Because between 1967 and 2004, I was drunk. I was drunk. The only reason I'm here is because of another Polish person. In about 1972, when I was at David D. McMahon, I met a guy, a crook called Val, Polish guy, in the Hilton in London. And I said, shit, I'm desperate. He said, I can probably fix you up with something. And he introduced me to Count Kopinski. And Count Kopinski was one of the, as a Polish colonel, one of the people who charged the German tanks on horseback in 1939. And I spent a very miserable 2 or 3 months trying to sell malt whiskey for investment on the telephone. I hate the bloody telephone, I'm terrified of it. But I had to do, but I admired this man so much. He was 62, I think, and he had a 19-year-old girlfriend. A fucking great man, you know, give me something to aim for. Yeah. And then one day I said to him, Kopinski, I said, how come you're not dead? I said, you drink like a bloody fish. He said, because 1 day a week I don't drink. And that's what saved me. One day a week between 67 and 2004, I didn't drink. And then I found a good woman who saved me, who stopped me drinking. No, she didn't. Who made me moderate my drinking. Okay, so writing the autobiography is hard if you can't remember anything. So it's always a good idea to get somebody who can help you. How many people here would like to write a book? Be honest, how many of you? Let's have a look. Well, you're in luck, because I've got somebody here who will help you write a book. Would you like that?